What's up guys? Welcome back to another vlog. It's me Ailah again. So for today's video guys is unboxing tayo galing sa Shein. Ano tayo guys? Unboxing. Tapos actually guys, na-open ko na to kasi I try it first and then show to my partner before I can make a video. So yes guys. Guys, sobrang init na dito sa Mexico, guys. Okay, saglit lang, guys. Sobrang init na talaga dito. So, bear with me, guys. Sorry. Kasi di ko ma-on yung AC kasi sobrang maingay. Tapos, basta guys, wala kami electric fan dito na sa isang RV. So, I got this packages, June, ano na ngayon? July na ngayon, I got this July 8, yesterday or the other day, basta yun guys. So, ito guys, ano siya, I lost one, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's actually 6, but I already unboxed the other one. And this guys, sobrang dami. Sobrang dami guys. 1 package, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, yes guys, unboxing natin sila. So, I'm going to insert pictures later too guys on how they look. And I'm going to try it all maybe next day. Because tomorrow, I'm not here. We're going somewhere tomorrow. We're going to Costco. Okay, first one guys is, ito siya, is na-unbox ko ito siya. Tapos, it's phone case guys. It's 7 Plus to 8 Plus. So, my phone is 8 Plus. So, iPhone 8 Plus. So, I have this. It's so cute, guys. Ano yun? Fidgeted. Ano yun, guys? Basta yung tinawag nila. Wala kasing pangalan dito, guys. So cute, guys. Tapos, comfortable siya, guys. So cute. I love it, guys. Get it, guys. Basta, ano, guys. Maganda siya sa hands new kasi you can pinch it and you can play with it. So yes. And then second guys is it this actually guys Shein at saka Romwe to guys, like ROMWE. It's almost they are family with Shein, something like that. Yes guys, so para-paras lang sila sa Shein. First one is this sweatshirt. Turtleneck siya guys. I'm going to insert pictures later if I edit it. And next, you know guys, marami akong nabili kasi I only buy basta may on sale sila guys. Ito is collar, guys. I'm going to show you later the other one, guys. I fuck it up because I did not see. I did not look if how many did I order, so I did not do it in purpose. So I did 2 of this collar, guys. So that's the first package. And then next package, kasi iba-iba silang company kasi din, guys, kaya marami akong packages dito. This second one is shorts. I love this one when I tried it. It's purple guys, lilac or whatever you call it. I call it lilac because purple is a little bit darker than this. So it's so comfy guys. Bili na kayo. Basta sobra siyang ganda. I'm extra small guys, so this is okay. I'm petite and extra small. So, and this second one is skirt, long skirt. It's so beautiful, guys. Kaso, if you want if you guys want to order like this, you should order like something like brownish or black, something like that, guys. Kasi the cloths is not thick as I thought, but it's okay. You can wear like black panty or something like that, you know. You guys, if you want, it's really nice, guys. Tapos if you want, yeah, so if you want to order it, guys, you should order like something like brownie or black, because they have different colors too. And this one, last one for the second package, is sobrang cute nito, guys. I love it so much. It's so stretchable. So this is dress, guys, like that, and just like that. And the back is this, like this. Like, yes, I'm going to have a try, you know, on this. Kasi sobrang ganda nila. Promise, guys, di kayo, like, it's true to size sila. Basta ganyan, di kayo maano, like, pangit naman ito, ganyan. Kasi I love Shein, and I've been ordering some stuff from Shein since last year. Like, this is my maybe 10th purchase from Shein, guys. So I love it. Ito, guys, is bikini, what do you call it? Bikini, you know, like, it's a dress, but it's only good if you wear bikini. So, yep. That's all. By the way, this is my third package. So, next is top. Black tops. So, I love this one too. Like, if you wear jeans or something like that, it's a top. I love it. Next, I promise, guys, I will put some link. I mean all of the links that of these dresses and shirts or tank tops and everything. I will put it on my description. This one is top, like yung isa lang yung ganito, guys, yung ganito siya, ganyan, yan siya. Hindi siya makikita. Wait, iusog ko muna, guys. Yan. Ganyan lang siya, guys. So, I'm so dark, guys, kasi sobrang init na talaga dito. Sakit sa balat yung init, guys. Like, nakakamatay ng tao. Kaya ingat-ingat. Next package. It's bikinis. I think I only bought 4, something like that, 4 bikinis. So, yep. This first bikini, I love it so much. Like, love it. This. Tapos, may dalawa siyang underwear. Bikini underwear. Ganyan. Ito yung isa. String. Tapos, ito yung isa. Like, may design siya. Saan ba yun? I know I saw it. I think I was wrong. Okay, I thought there was a design on this one, but it's like this. It's the color of this one is not khaki, because khaki is like brownie thing. I forgot. Something like a caramel thing, something like that, guys. So I'm going to put the links on this one. If you guys have a Shein, this one, okay. I really love this one, guys. Like, it's lilac or whatever you call it. It's so cute and comfy. This, you can adjust it here if you want to make it tight or loosen it. So cute, guys. You know, okay, guys, sorry for my English or some wrong grammars there. You know, English is my third language, so bear with me, guys. I'm so sorry. Yun na. Next is silicone bra. Sorry guys. May sasakyan kasi. Silicone bra. So cute. Next is double-sided tape. You know what guys? I never it's a one size. Like I never thought guys that it's 4 packages of tape. Like I mean yeah, 4 pieces of tape guys. It's 20 pesos. I never thought that it's 20 pieces. So next one is so cute. I love it guys. Like you know, for party, something like that. It's so cute. Ay, akala ko may ano siya. Like little purse in it. Wallet or like you know, but it's okay. They're cute. They're cute guys. It's my second purchase in Shein. My bag, like purse or something like that. Next is it's really hot guys. Oh God. Next is skirt na may short siya. Ito. Tapos ito siya sa likod. And I ordered 2 but the other color is khaki. Okay, this is khaki. Yeah, khaki. I really love these guys. That's why I ordered 2 but different colors. Ito siya sa likod, tapos ito siya sa front. Oh my God, guys, I'm so sorry. I look shit in here. Next is short. This one, I try it. I fuck up again, guys, kasi I thought I ordered extra small and then I ordered the small one. So I love this one. I love the color. I love the fabric on it, and I'm just bring this to Streamses so they can adjust it for me. Like if you guys want to order in Shein, if you're petite like me, like my waistline is 23, 24. And then if you guys want to order, don't order small in Shein kasi it's too big. And then this one, I super love it, and my partner loved it too. It's a dress guys, like almost the same like Hawaiian dress, something like that. This siya, it's ganyan. I love it guys. Ito pa ito ganito to hold it. Super love it guys. Like you know, it's good for if you go to beach or beach party or like a wedding beach, like I mean wedding in the beach like that. And then last package, I think it's crop top. No, it's black dress, bodycon black dress. I love it guys, super love it. This ganyan siya, ganito siya sa front, tapos ganyan. So I'm going to put pictures in it and the link below in the description box. Next is dress. No, it's not actually dress. Sorry, excuse me guys. I thought it was a dress when I bought it, but it's still this. I mean, it's almost the same as dress, guys. Pero sobrang comfy at sobrang maganda siya, guys. It's a skirt, and you can tie it. And there is a hole here that you can wrap it on your body. And then the shirt, I love the cloth guys, the fabric on it, I super love it, and it's cute. it's extra small and they all fit on me except for the shorts, the one short. Next, bikini. I love this one, guys. It's so cute and my partner love it too. Yan siya. Ang top. Tapos ito sa bottom. It's cute, guys. I love them so much. I ordered it from Romwe. Whatever. Next is another bikini from Romwe. Ganyan siya, guys. R-O-M-W-E. Bikini. Okay, this is the top. It's super cute and comfy. Tapos yung ano niya, guys, is thick. Ganyan siya. Tapos ito ang bottom. It's cute. Kasi it's a triangle bikini. Next is ito. I think it's a crop top. Yeah, it's a V-neck crop top. It's cute, guys. It's good for like me, a flat-chested and a petite, kasi it will you will look tall if you wear like skinny jeans or like loose jeans, something like that. Yes, guys, that's why I ordered lots of crop tops past few months ago. Next is crop top sweatshirt, guys. California West Coast, super cute, and I love the fabric too. Like, I really love Shein, guys, and Romwe. I love their sometimes I think the fabric on it, it's better than Zara. It's better than Zara, guys. That's what I feel. Next one is Romwe. And this is the one that I fucked up. The color, guys. Ito yun, guys. Ito siya. Yung dalawa na order ko. I order, no, it's actually a one size, guys. No, it's size small. And it fits well on me. Kasi it's only a color that you can use for if you wear big shirt or something like that. You know what I mean. Next one is shirt. Like oversized. Yeah, that's the word. Oversized shirt. Extra small. And it's so cute, guys. Los Angeles, California. I thought it was big, but they are okay. I ordered it from Romwe, guys, because they are actually cheaper than Shein. That's what they call it. Next one is skirt. It's so cute. White skirt. Ito, guys. This is the last one, guys, actually. It's super cute. I ordered extra small and it fits well on me. And I ordered it from Romwe. So I ordered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stuffs from Romwe. I don't know, but it's this how it says here. So yun lang, guys. And thank you for watching, guys. If you have any suggestion or question, just comment down below and I will try to answer it, and I will try to upload a lot or more videos, guys, kasi sometimes I'm tired because I'm tired to upload videos because no signal or weak signal here in Mexico, guys. Our Wi-Fi, we have 3 different Wi-Fi and they are still fucking up. Like they're still crazy Wi-Fi, like, you know. Okay, guys, so yeah, if you have any suggestion, just comment down below, and question about Shein, like, you know what I mean. So don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Please enjoy. Thank you.